Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are making this indoors outdoors planter using canvas and cardboard. I bought 4 hexagon canvas from Amazon. They measure 30 centimeters. I also have this cardboard box that I'll be using to cover the edges of these canvas. The next thing I did was to measure the length between edges. It's a regular hexagon that has 20 centimeters edge length. So for the cardboard, we mark our measurement at 20 centimeters and 16 centimeters. Now I have 4 cardboard pieces for the first hexagon box, so I'm just going to put some hot glue on the canvas edge right here, then attach the cardboard piece to the canvas. I will also apply hot glue on the second canvas, then attach the first cardboard to it. I will go all around covering the spaces with cardboards. And now I'm attaching our last cardboard. As you can see, the hexagon box is already taking shape. I will go ahead and attach these 2 canvas right here. I'll be connecting them using hinges and screw. This is already done. Now attaching the second canvas was a bit tricky, so I had to remove the side cardboards a little bit for my drill to fit when drilling. Here I have 4 extra cardboard pieces to cover the remaining spaces. I will be screwing this wood for the base. It measures 16 by 20 centimeters. I painted the inner side and the base with a black spray paint. Today I'll be using this type of kitchen backsplash. I was so happy to find them in the store. They won't fit perfectly, so I'm going to remove some pieces, and then later I will fill the empty spaces with half pieces that I already cut using a glass cutter. You can also get the same product from Amazon UAE. So here I'm filling the spaces with the extra tiles. So guys, for the edges you will need half pieces. You can easily cut the tiles into half using a glass cutter. I'm done with the front and the back part. Now for the sides, I'll be decorating using these gold tiles. This is unsanded grout. I'm gonna mix it with water, adding water a little at a time. Remember, your mixture should not be too thin. Now you're gonna spread it and force it into the grout lines. I usually let my grout rest for an hour, so once the grout is dry, wipe it off with a wet rag. And here you go guys, I'm so happy with the way it turned out. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think about using canvas and cardboard to make a planter.